How to fix Messenger people option not showing. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video we're gonna learn how we can fix your issue of your people option not showing on your Messenger. So without any further delay, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share and subscribe icon. So in order to fix the issue of Messenger people option not showing, here below there used to be in feature, what you can do is just get back and then install the Messenger application onto your device. So the new update of Messenger has removed the feature of people on our Messenger. So what you can do is you can just download the older version of Messenger. For that, if you go to Play Store, you can only find the latest version of Messenger. So you may just search for the oldest version of Messenger or share the older version of Messenger from any of your friends if they have it, and just install on your device. And when you log in into your account, you will be able to see the people option onto your Messenger. So therefore, by that way you can get the people option on Messenger back. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.